Hello children, today we'll make this beautiful pattern using repeat command of logo. Hello children, today we'll make this type of shape as you have seen in the PPT also. So in my last video I explained how to make circle using repeat command. Here I am giving a very short description how to make circle. So to make a circle you have to write FD1, RT1. This I explained already in my last video. FD1, RT1, but this steps you have to write 360 times. To make a circle you have to write FD1 then RT1, FD1, RT1, FD1, RT1, FD1, RT1. This you have to write. If FD1 means a very small step and RT1 means turn, very small turn in a right direction by 1 degree. FD1, RT1, FD1, RT1, but you have to write this at least you have to write 360 times. But we are smart enough, so we will not write 360 times. We'll give the command to the turtle like this: repeat. Please repeat. Now which command we have to repeat? This square bracket FD1 RT1, okay, and 360 times. So step is like this: repeat 360, because you are giving command to repeat this step 360 times. So repeat 360 square bracket FD spacebar 1 spacebar RT spacebar 1 and close the bracket. So by writing this you will make circle. Now today we are going to make this type of pattern. For this, here I am making dry run part. Okay, so first I am writing repeat 360. One more thing, suppose if you are writing FD1 means your circle will be like this, and if you will write FD 0.5 means a small circle, okay. And if you want to make a very big circle, so you can write FD2 also, FD3 also. So by FD1 this type of circle 0.5 means small circle, okay. So today I'll explain with small circle only. So I will write 0.5. You can write FD1, you can write FD2 also, but I am writing 0.5, okay. So FD 0.5 RT1. You are free to write FD1 also. I am writing 0.5. Now after this, okay, you have done one circle. Now your turtle is here. Now I am giving command RT40. My turtle is here facing this direction. I am giving command to the turtle to take a turn by 40 degree in a right direction. Means my turtle will take a turn here only and turtle will look like this. Again I am writing the same command, repeat 360 FD 0.5 RT1. So second circle, a small circle only. Now again I am writing, I am giving command to the turtle to take a turn, right turn by 40 degree, and turtle will take a turn. And again I am writing the same command, repeat 360 FD 0.5 RT1. So again I am writing RT40 to take a turn, and then again I am writing repeat 360 FD 0.5 RT1. So this again I am writing RT40 and the same command, repeat 360 FD 0.5 RT1. This you can write in the same line also. I am writing separately to explain you. You can write in the same line. And as you are you can see here also one pattern. This is called nested repeat, but this we will learn later. So after writing this step, the same will go on and the circle like this. So we'll make this type of shape after writing this all. So today we learn first how to make circle, and using circle how we can make this type of shape. So repeat 360 FD 0.5. You can write 1, means we can write 1, 2, 3 as per your screen size. FD 0.5, RT 1. RT will always remain 1. Now this time we are learning circle right side. Next time we will learn how to make left side, or how we can make many patterns using circle only. So this now I will show practically how we can do on Turtle Academy. We have to open any browser. You can open Chrome, Firefox, any browser, and your line editor. Now as I explained last time also, you can open any platform, online logo interpreter, Turtle Academy, and free online. We are going to open Turtle Academy. From your playground option, you have to select playground option. Now today we are going to make one pattern using circle, and we'll make circle using repeat command as I explained last time also. So first I'm writing the command for circle, and we are going to make a very small circle. That's why I will write 0.5 for small circle. REPEAT, repeat. Now you have to mention the number of step 360, square bracket, space bar, FD 0.5, 0.5, space bar, RT 1. We are going to make a small circle, that's why we are writing 0.5. You can write 1, 2 also. Now square bracket close. Now here you can see we have done one circle. Okay, now I'm giving command to the turtle to move in the right direction by 40 degree, RT 40. Okay, as you can see the difference, turtle has taken the turn by 40 degree. Now again I'm writing the command repeat 360 FD 0.5 RT 1 and close the bracket. I want to copy this because next time I will paste it only. Now enter. Again I will give command to the turtle move by turn by 40 degree, RT 40. So see the turtle. Okay, turtle has taken the turn. Again I'll write the same command, repeat 360 FD 0.5 RT 1, enter. Again RT 40 means I'm giving command to the turtle to take a right turn. Now the same command. Now again RT 40, same command, repeat 360 FD 0.5 RT 1. Again I'm giving command to the turtle RT 40, and the same command, repeat 360 FD 0.5 RT 1 RT 40. Okay, again the same command. Now here we are writing two steps. So here also I can write RT 40, means simultaneously turtle will take a turn also next time. Now I'm copying, enter. The full step again, means turtle will make a circle also and will take a turn also. Yeah. So I think now you can see we have done the pattern. Here we have done by 40 degree and with FD 0.5. You can make by FD 1 and take a turn by RT 30. So like this we can make different patterns. Please try at home. Thank you so much. Be safe and healthy. Bye bye. Thank you so much.